Once upon a time, a timid child named Leo discovered an enchanted book in a dusty corner of a library. As he opened it, characters leaped to life, whisking him away to a kingdom in peril. The villagers spoke of a dragon threatening their homes. Trembling, Leo felt a strange warmth in his heart. Guided by the wise old wizard from the book, Leo learned that true bravery begins with facing one's fears. With newfound courage, he crafted a plan, rallied the villagers, and approached the dragon. Instead of fighting, Leo spoke kindly, discovering the dragon was misunderstood. He returned home a hero, proving that kindness can conquer fear and transform a timid heart into a brave knight.